Alright, so today we're going to be reviewing the subtraction process. You may be wondering, where should I begin? The very first step is to determine whether you have more on the top or more on the floor or bottom in the ones place. Let's look at this example. 45 minus 22. 5 is greater or more than 2. That means that there is more on the top, so there is no need to stop. This means that we can subtract each column just like normal. So what's 5 minus 2? 3. What is 4 minus 2? 2. The answer is 23. Let's move on. If there's more on the floor or bottom, go next door to the tens column and get 10 more. Let's look at this example. 45 minus 27. 5 is less than 7, which means there's more on the floor or bottom. So we need to go next door to the tens place column and get 10 more to add to the 5. Okay, so I need to get 10 more from next door. But how do I do that? Easy. I just know that because a 4 is in the tens place column, that is actually 4 groups of 10, or 40. So in order to take one group of 10 away, I just take away one group of 10 from 4, which makes that a 3. So now there are 3 groups of 10 in the tens place. I can now take that 10 and put it in the ones place. But when it's in the ones place, it's no longer one group of 10, it's 10 ones, which makes the number 15. Way to go! You have just regrouped. Now all that's left to do is subtract. We now have a 3 in the tens place column and 15 in the ones place column. So I know that 15 minus 7 is 8, and 3 minus 2 in the tens place column is 1, which makes our answer 18. 45 minus 27 is 18. Let's move on to our last example. If numbers are the same, 0 is your game. If the numbers in the ones column are the same, your answer will be 0. Then you can subtract the tens place column just like normal. Let's look at this example. 45 minus 25. 5 is in the ones column in both places, the top and the bottom, or the floor. That means that 5 minus 5 is 0. We can then subtract 4 minus 2, which is 2. That means that our answer is 20. 45 minus 25 equals 20. Great job! Now it's time to review. More on the top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Numbers are the same, 0 is your game. Great job!